I'm sure you've heard the news. The moon has an atmosphere. Surprised? You're not alone. Most people think the moon is just a big lifeless rock. But guess what? NASA discovered that it actually has a super thin atmosphere. It's called an exosphere. Now, don't start packing your bags for a lunar vacation. It's made of helium and hydrogen, so it's definitely not breathable. But here's the kicker. This exosphere affects the moon dust. Yep, that pesky moon dust that gets into everything. Understanding this thin atmosphere could change the way we explore space in the future. Crazy, right? If you thought that was mind-blowing, wait till you hear more. Hit subscribe for more facts that will make your brain do a happy dance. See you next time, space enthusiasts.